In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment terms in QuickBooks Online. Payment terms are an important part of invoicing because they tell your customers when payment is expected. Setting them up correctly can help you stay organized, improve cash flow, and make your invoices clearer and more professional. The good news is that QuickBooks Online makes this process simple once you know where to look. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're fully logged in and on the main dashboard before moving on, so you can easily access the settings you need. Next, go to the top of the screen and click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This is where QuickBooks stores many of the preferences that control how your business information, forms, and sales settings work. Once you're in Account and Settings, look to the left side menu and click Sales. This section contains the options related to invoices, sales forms, and customer-facing details, so this is where your payment term setting will be managed. Now, find the area labeled Sales Form Content and click Edit. This opens the section where you can adjust what appears on your invoices and how those forms behave by default. If you use invoices often, setting this up now can save you time later. In this section, locate the Preferred Invoice Terms dropdown. This is the setting that determines the default payment term QuickBooks will use when you create invoices. Choosing a preferred term here helps keep your billing consistent across customers and transactions. Open the dropdown and select the payment term you want to use. Depending on your options, you may see choices like Due on Receipt, Net 15, Net 30, Net 60, or other available terms. Pick the one that best fits how you want your customers to pay. For example, Due on Receipt requests payment immediately, while Net 30 gives the customer 30 days from the invoice date. After selecting your preferred payment term, click Save to apply the change. This ensures QuickBooks remembers your selection going forward. Once that's done, keep in mind that you can also apply payment terms directly to individual invoices. When you create a new invoice or edit an existing one, look for the Terms field and choose the payment term you want for that specific invoice. This gives you flexibility if different customers or situations require different due dates. And that's it. You've now set up payment terms in QuickBooks Online and learned how to apply them to invoices when needed. Thanks for watching.